Yes, Zaid. What will I do with this? Huh? What will I do with the chocolate? What will I do with this? Huh? You want chocolate? But we will send this to Philippines. It's not good for you. Last night you ate a lot. Now you want to eat again? No, it's not good, Zaid. It's not good. Chocolate's not good for the kids. Okay? Yeah. No. Mama will give you another one. Mama will give you grapes, apple, and nuts. Not chocolate. It's not good. Okay? Papa is home. Oh, Jido is checking the plastic bags. Maybe he got some toy from Baba. Oh, there's a toy for Zido.
What is this?
What kind of toy is that?
Police van.
It's a police van. Oh, another police van, Baba. What else? Baba brought also for Mama's request. Oh, for the house and for the box. Olive oil and vegetables for Mama. The malunggay, my request. Yes, Mama will open. And what is this? Hand soap? Hand something? And what else, Baba? What is this? Zaido's vitamin. What is this? Zaido's vitamin worth 99 dirhams. Like 1,000 something for 1.5. And battery. The Listerine. Of course, Baba's for vape liquid. And Baba's medicine, I think. Zaid wants to open the toy now. He's very excited. Yesterday, I convinced him 100 times just to open his toys. Baba, help him. Baba, he cannot do it by himself. Cannot get the car from the box. Wow, let me see. Wow, white. White, nice. No, white is nicer than the yellow one. Where are you going? Going Baba car? Baba just came. You're going to Baba's car? Baba, let Baba rest for a while. Baba is tired. Come here. Put it on the ground. There.
No, I have to remove something. There is something. You have to remove.
No, remove the down. This one. You have to remove this one. Put it down. Yeah. Give me. Yeah, police van. He's very excited also. Which one you want to eat first? The pancake or the grapes? The grape. Yummy? Oh, nice life. Oh, watching tablet and then eating. Oh, you almost finished the. You want to give Mama the pancake? Thank you, Zaid. Thank you, baby. Thank you. You're welcome. Go eat.